Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Right now, as you guys can imagine, going to the gym. Say it with me, people. I feel like at the start of every vlog is either I'm going to the gym or I've just been to the gym. Apart from my weekend vlogs, obviously. But I'm going to the gym right now. Yeah. I did just want to say, because you guys know I was very like vocal when I stopped taking Oxyshred, if you follow my vlogs, because of the grapefruit seed extract, and I haven't really talked about that yet since I've gone back on it. And I did just want to say I recommend you guys would talk to your doctor before you go on anything, full stop. But especially something that could potentially affect something else that you're taking. So I've been in contact with my doctor about grapefruit seed extract, and he has told me that it's fine for me to take as an individual, for me, so you might want to investigate yourself. You guys know I'm a huge Gymshark fan, and I always see people talking about Gymshark stuff on AliExpress, and it's obviously not legitimate Gymshark. People aren't that dumb, but I found some, and I thought, seeing as I'm not an athlete that's sponsored by Gymshark or anything, I thought I would buy some of the faux Gymshark stuff to review for you guys. I'm not going to do like a full video on it, but I will mention it, pardon me, in a vlog. I've got a pair of the Vital Seamless. I bought these because look at how cheap they are. Can you see that? It's ridiculous. And then I also got this pair of the Ombre Seamless, which I was actually going to buy legitimately in the Gymshark sale, but they didn't have the leggings. They'd already sold out and they were end of line. So I'm buying the blue and black ones because I can't get them any other way. I tried to buy them online. It's like impossible, or people want like 80 bucks for them and they're not even worth that much. So it's like, no. And the other ones I'm buying because they're like stupid cheap. Like $10 New Zealand is like stupid cheap, and I just want to see what they're going to be like. You guys, I smell delightful right now. I'm so sweaty. I don't know if you guys can see, but I've got like underbutt sweat. Basically I just did deadlifts, squats, curtsy lunges, one leg deadlift, and then I did some stuff on the like the leg curl and the leg extension machines. I was supposed to do Bulgarian split squats, and I actually was really surprised that the curtsy lunges didn't hurt my toe. Like, very surprised. But the only reason why I didn't do the Bulgarian split squats is because your toe nail, like your big toe, is literally on the box and you're like pushing down on it. So I was like, maybe not. So that's the only reason why I didn't do that exercise. But yeah, had a really good workout. I feel really sweaty and successful. I forgot to end my workout. I burnt nearly 300 calories, which is quite a lot for me, and I peaked at like 170 heart rate, which again is really high for me for like a weights workout. I don't know, it was good. I feel absolutely amazing. I think it helps that like I feel super rested after this weekend. I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't see. I've got like a big graze on my arm from where my camera like flew off, and I am in the bush. I have entered the bush. I'm one with the bush. What's up guys? So I'm home from work now. It was like ridiculously hot today. I swear it was like 28 degrees or something. It was very, very hot, but now I've got aircon on in here, so that's quite nice. I think Hazel's making dinner tonight. We're having like Moroccan chicken burgers or something. I don't know. All I know is I'm not making it, so that's good. But yeah, I'm just kind of editing last night's vlog. Well, this weekend's vlog. I didn't end up editing it last night because we watched a movie, and yeah, we watched the Sabrina Christmas special, which was okay, I guess. I'm wearing one of the tops from the haul that I did, and then these are my Gymshark really unflattering flex shorts. Well, they're not really unflattering, but when I'm sitting like this, they don't look great. I wore them like as my bike shorts today, but I freaking love these shorts. Like, I want to buy more pairs. But yeah, I'm just chilling. I just wanted to come and update y'all. By the way, I can't remember if I told you guys on Friday, but my colleague was like, I have this protein that I don't really have. Like, what? Drink? So she gave me this. It's called Titan Sea Salt Caramel. I have had the ready to drinks, the RTDs from this brand before. Smells quite good. Just smells like bro protein, you know? Just bro protein has a smell to it. Whey protein just smells like a bruh, the gym bruh. And then this is what Hazel's making for din. Some chicken. And then this is Pepper & Co. Mo Rockin' paste. It's our first time trying this. Hazel bought a couple of them. We also have Hello Feet. This is supposed to be in the fridge, right?
The one, no, but what one?
Mexcellent.
Oh yeah.
Mexcellent paste and titillating tandoori. Yum! Oh my god, this looks so good. And the halloumi looking fly. This is the finished product. Yeah, mine is not as beautiful as Corpse's because I don't have greens. It's just like 50 shades of beige. Oh my gosh, yum. So I just finished making muffins. They're banana muffins, and I made some chocolate icing. Hazel's mixing it around, but I made it myself. Just kidding, Hazel baked. These are little, like, beautiful little muffins.
One.
Hazel just said to me, and I quote, "Vlog it, bitch." But, little chalky muffin, some milk. It's actually a little bit warm, so the icing's like, yum, so yum. I just said yum like 5 times.